How to add Contact Us button in Facebook page to connect and drive traffic to your website. So let's begin the video. In Facebook page, you need to click this three-dotted horizontal More option. In this menu, you need to click Add Action button. Next, in the pop-up window, click this Try It button. From these options, you need to select Contact Us and Continue. And in this screen, select Add Website Link, since we need to connect the website. Next, in this field we need to add the website link. And finally, click the Save button. Now let's confirm the Contact button under the Facebook page is linked and connected to the website. When the Facebook users click the Contact button, they are taken to our website and done successfully setting Contact button in Facebook page. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates for more videos.